If you like our video, click the like button. Click the subscribe button to receive updates on our new video. Don't forget to share our video too.
Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the second set of trigonometric formulae, which are the addition and subtraction formulae. Yes, you heard it right, the addition and subtraction formulae. One of the most important formulae in trigonometry. Now, in this group, we totally have a set of 6 formulae. So let's begin with the first one from the lot. The first is sine of A plus B. Yes, sine of A plus B, which is equal to sine A into cos B. Next, plus, into cos A sine B. So for sine it is sine cos, cos sine, and the same sign. Next would be again the sine ratio, sine of A minus B. Now as I said, opposite ratios, same sign. So repeat, sine A cos B, same sign, minus cos A sine B. Perfect. Let's move to the third one now. And that is cos of A plus B. Now here it is cos cos, sine sine with the opposite sign. So it is cos A cos B. Opposite sign minus sine A sine B. Perfect. Next, the fourth from the group is cos of A minus B. Now for cos it is cos cos, sine sine, right? So cos A cos B. Now change the sign, plus sine A sine B. So we could say for sine it's opposite ratios, same sign. For cos, same ratios, opposite sign. Next comes tan A plus B. Yes, which is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Remember, the numerator sign is plus. Next, tan of A minus B. See, the numerator will have minus now. So tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Simple, aren't they? Yes, please remember them. Simple example demonstrating the addition formula. Now, suppose I'm interested in finding the value of sine 75. Now, 75 could be broken into sine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. So we have a formula there, sine of A plus B. So let's use it. It would be sine 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30 degrees. Now simply substitute the standard ratios. Sine 45 is 1 over root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. Simplified further as root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now add the 2, so you get root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. Yes, that's the value for sine 75 degrees. Yes, easy as always. Like it, share it, and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos in future. Thank you.